Hello Cook Class, this is our maths lesson for today. Today, like we've been doing all week, you are going to tell me what number I'm showing on my fingers as fast as you can. Are you ready? Let's go. That's right, 1. That's right, 5. And the last one, well done if you said 7. Now, for today's maths lesson, you're going to need your numbers cards that you made before, and you will need a part-whole model, but I'll show you that in a moment, what we're going to do with that. Okay? So if you can make sure you get your part-whole model and your number cards. If you don't have your number cards anymore, it's okay. Just stop the video and make some more. Make sure you make them from 1 to 10. When you've made them, you can lay them out like Miss Lynch, starting with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You will probably have a bit more space than what I have, because I need to be able to show you. So I'll just space them out as much as I can. Then, when you've made your 10 number cards and you've laid them out in the right order, making sure you pick the number or the numeral to go in the right, so that's the number, to go in the right place, what I want you to do is, for challenge number 1, I want you to look at the number and then find something in your house that has that many. For example, for number 1, I have found 1 scissors. So I'm going to put it next to my number 1. For number 2, I found 2 tapes. 1, 2. For number 3, I found 3 hairbrushes. 1. Oh, my number 3 is moved. 2. And 3. Now again, like I said, you'll probably have a bit more room, a bit more space than I have to lay them all out. For number 4, I found 4 plastic cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. For number 5, I found, what was it? Oh yes, 5 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For number 5. For number, what's next? That's right, number 6. I found 6 magnets. 1, 2, 3, whoops, drop 1, 4, 5, 6. So I found 6 magnets. For number 7, what did I find? I think it was these 7 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoops. I found 7 pens. For number 8, I found 8 doorknobs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. For number 9, so for number 9, I found 9 paintbrushes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then for number 10, I found 10 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what I want you to do for your first challenge is I want you to make sure you have your number cards, and then can you match up that amount of objects to each number. Make sure you put your pictures on Tapestry to show me how you've done it. You can use anything you can find in your house. Now, I just need to clear up some space so I can show you the other challenges with your part whole model. Okay? Okay, so after you have matched up different objects to each number card, what I want you to do is to get your part whole model like this and try to put 2 of the numbers together to make 10. For example, I'm going to try it using 3, so I'll put 3 here, and 7, and see if I can put them together to make 10. Now, my objects are a little bit big, but I can put them in there as much as I can to count them. So you can put your objects into your part whole model. You can even make a really big one if you need to. And then my other number was 7. So I've got my 3 there, and then I'm going to put my 7 here. So now I have my 2 parts, but I need to count them together to see if the whole will be 10. Can you help me? Let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, have I dropped a pen? I should have had 7 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, I dropped a pen. Hold on, I get it. Now, I did have 7 pens to start with, didn't I? Let's do that again. I should have checked. So make sure you check that you have the right amount in your part. So let's check that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go, that's better. Now I can add my 7 into my 3. 1, or 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when I put them all together in my whole, it did work as 10. Let me move those out of the way so you can see what we're going to do next. That's my 3. I'll put my 3 back, and then my 7 can go back here. I'll put my 7 pens next to it. Now, sometimes when you do it, it might not work. It might not make 10. It might make a different number. For example, if I put my 1 here and my 2 here, and then my objects, so 1 and my 2, and then I put them into my whole, will it make 10? Let's find out. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, it didn't make 10, it didn't work. So if it doesn't work, try to use your knowledge of your number bonds to choose numbers that you know will go together to make 10. That's your second challenge. Let's put these back. And our 1. So your first challenge is, can you put out your number cards and then match up different objects to those numbers in the right amount? Like number 3, 3 hairbrushes. Challenge number 2, can you use your part whole model to put numbers together to make 10? Try to use that knowledge of your number bonds to help you. Number 3, can you choose 3 numbers that will make 10? What you'll need to do is make another part on your part whole model. So you can just change it a bit and add another part. Make sure you put your work on Tapestry And mums and dads, as always, let me know how your children found this lesson. Stay safe, everybody, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye-bye.